metal roof would be more protective of our home from both fire danger as well as snow load.
Kind of appreciate the sound of rain on a tin roof, and it wasn't overwhelmingly loud, but pleasant. So I think it's great.
I had received such wonderful reviews from the house that I saw that I didn't really want to look a whole lot at other companies just because of the reputation that you seem to have.
You showed up when you said you were going to, and you did what you said you were going to do when you said you were going to do it. And I find that refreshing these days. Not all contractors are like that, so I really appreciated that. You brought a big enough crew to get it done quickly, and that was nice. I thought it was a great experience.
I would have no question about referring you and giving Mountaintop the highest recommendation. The crew that was here was really lovely people, lovely gentlemen, very respectful, really cleaned up after themselves. It was a pleasure to have these guys around.